Alma, do you have hiccups again?
Again. I have hiccups every day. Oh. Oh.
This must not be very much fun at all.
Oh.
You're so sleepy all the time, sweetie.
I sleep 20 hours a day.
Must be nice.
How come Mom and Dad don't get to sleep 20 hours a day?
We're not very efficient. Alma's got her whole life worked out.
Oh.
There you go. So pretty, Alma. Hiccup. Sticking that tongue out. Bye, Alma.
Bye, Dad.